What is a pyramid? As discussed in above section, pyramid is a polyhedron that is formed by connecting a base that is polygon-shaped and a point that is called as apex. Apex and every base edge forms a triangle. Hence a pyramid consists of multiple triangles. For a pyramid having a polygon base of n sides, there are n+1 faces and vertices and 2n edges. We shall discuss more about pyramids in further sections of this article. Types of pyramids. There are many types of pyramids which can exist. Almost infinite number of pyramids. These types depend on the number of sides the base polygon has. Only the most commonly seen pyramids are discussed in the section given below. Triangular pyramid? When the base polygon is a triangle, then it is said to be a triangular pyramid. Square pyramid? When the base polygon is a square, that means the length of each side of the base polygon is equal, then the resulting pyramid is known as square pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid? When the base polygon has 5 sides, then the resulting pyramid is called as pentagonal pyramid. Circular pyramid? When the base polygon is a circle, then the resulting pyramid is called as circular pyramid. Example of pyramid. There are innumerable objects around us that are pyramids. Let us see some of the daily life examples of pyramids. They are given below. Pastries and cake. When pastries and cakes are cut from center and a piece is taken out, that piece resembles the shape of a pyramid. The cakes and pastries itself can be made in the shape of a pyramid. Toys. Many toys such as a triangular Rubik's Cube are in the shape of a pyramid. This type of Rubik's Cube is made up of small triangles. Monuments. Many monuments are made in the shape of pyramids, such as the famous pyramids of Giza. These are the most common examples of pyramids. In fact, we think of these pyramids at Giza when we hear the term pyramid. Tent. A tent is in the shape of a pyramid. A tent has a square base. The apex is connected with the edges of the base and forms triangles at the sides. Hence a tent can be considered as a pyramid. Transmission lines tower. Transmission lines have a broad base that acts as the base polygon and narrow tip which acts as the apex of the pyramid. The transmission lines are situated at the apex of this pyramid. Hence, we can say the shape of transmission lines resemble a pyramid. Buildings. Many buildings are made in such a way that they resemble a pyramid. These architecture ideas are taken from the ancient architecture. The best example of ancient architecture. Temples. Many temples resemble the shape of a pyramid. They are broader at the base, resembling the base polygon, and has an apex point that connects directly to the base. Hence we can say that many temples have a shape of pyramid. Watermelon piece. When we cut a watermelon from center and remove a slice of it, we can say that the piece resembles a pyramid. This slice is nothing but a small pyramid. Wet floor signboard. A wet floor signboard can be seen around corridors and halls where there is a chance of public slipping. These signboards have a broad base and an apex connecting this base polygon. We can safely say that a wet floor signboard is an example of pyramid. Outside line pyramids used in sports. In sports, small plastic pyramids are used to mark the corner point or outside line of the play area. This can be used as goalpost also. These are examples of pyramids. Chocolate. Chocolates can be molded into many shapes and forms. Majorly, chocolates are square and circular. But we can see triangular chocolates in the market too. These triangular chocolates resemble the shape of a pyramid. Paperweights. Most paperweight have the shape of a pyramid. They are mere showpieces made of glass which have small design structures inside them. These design structures carry most part of the weight of these paperweights. The paperweight used to put weight on the paper so that do not fly away. These can be considered as pyramids. Fancy water bottles. Some water bottles have a broad base resembling a base polygon and an apex that connects to this base. These type of water bottles have a shape of a pyramid. Pillars. Pillars are mostly cylindrical or cuboidal, but some places have pillars that have the shape of a pyramid. These pillars are broader at the base and narrower at the apex. Samosa. Samosa is a famous Indian snack that is eaten by almost everyone there. It has a broad base and a narrow apex which connects to the base. Inside the samosa is the filling of potato. A samosa can be considered as a pyramid. Buttons. In some shirts, we have designer buttons that have a shape of pyramid. These buttons will have a broader base and narrower apex that connects to the base polygon. Mountains. Mountains are yet another common examples of pyramid. They have a very broad base and a narrow apex that connects to the base. Height of a mountain can reach up to 8,000 metric tons on Earth. Rooftop. Some houses made up of wood have a pyramid-shaped roof. This type of design is used in regions where snowfall is a problem. The triangular structure will help the snow to slide down easily, which in case of flat roof would not have been possible. Temple top, known as shikara. Temple tops known as shikara have a shape of pyramid. They have a broad base and a narrow apex that connects the base and forms a pyramid. Plant pot designs. Some pots have a design resembling to a pyramid. These pots have a broad base which make room for the soil and a narrow apex making way for the plant to grow. Please visit our website lambdageeks.com for more articles on technology, engineering, mathematics, and various other domains. Scientific calculator and many more other tools.